The Learning Performance view enables a manager to review the latest data recorded for each learning resource, or in the case of the Audit view type, all previous instances of data are recorded. There may be multiple records against a learning resource when regular refresher training is carried out on the same course. By default, the view displays all learners who have completed the learning, but you can change this view to assist with managing the entire learning process. For instance, type the name of the learning in the Learning column and select the status of Not Attempted. Don't forget to press the refresh button. You can then send an email to all these people to hurry them to start training. If you wish to check the performance on refresher training, where the training would be completed periodically, select the View Type option on the filter and choose Audit. If refresher training has been carried out, you'll see more than one record for each learner. Further analysis of the data can be carried out by exporting the filter using the Download All Data button at the bottom of the screen. Task Assessment Views. The Task Assessment view contains information from any task-related questions within e-learning programs. An example course is the e-office safety course, where your learner is asked about questions about their workstation. If they request a new seat, then a new seat task is recorded here. This functionality can be used to attach task-related questions to any e-learning course or lesson. Looking at the View Type Outstanding Tasks filter, this shows tasks that require attention, where the status is equal to either in progress or not started. This view of the data is used to manage the assessment process. The idea is to clean this screen of any outstanding tasks by resolving the issues or passing them on to someone more suitable. View Type Latest View shows a summary of all task assessments that have not been signed off by the coach or trainer. This view can be used to resolve an assessment without resolving every task in the assessment. Check the box at the end grid for any assessment whose status has been submitted. View Type Audit is similar to the latest view, but instead it lists all task assessments, including those that have previously been refreshed and require retesting. Use this view to evidence long-term compliance. Training Impact. This view shows how employee competency has improved over time. Set the training start date and training end date to display the period to assess. The performance across these two time periods is then assessed. The performance can be assessed as CPD points or competency passes. Before using this view, it's necessary to ensure all training resources have an associated competency scoring system linked to them. Further analysis of the data can be carried out by exporting the filter using the Download All Data button at the bottom of the screen. Training Schedule. The Training Schedule view shows training resources that are due either within the next 90 days or within a time window defined. Use this schedule to examine the progress of your learners and manage them through the learning process. Further analysis of the data can be carried out by exporting the filter using the Download All Data button at the bottom of the screen. Learning Resources Feedback. This view shows user feedback from each learning resource. Filter by the appropriate course to view feedback on each. This feedback is qualitative and gives you evidence for courses which need alterations made to them. Add View. As with the predefined views, the data that matches the criteria is listed in the table below the filter. These filtered fields can be selected from a list of individualized learner record or ILR fields, covering a variety of information, including location, education, funding, and a host of other parameters. Similarly, the fields which appear in the view can also be selected from a range of ILR fields. The process of running the views is the same as for the custom views.